What's up, Urban Gang? How y'all doing? Welcome back to the channel. I am UrbanBDKNY, and today, as you saw in the intro, we are going to be talking about the iPhone 12 Pro Max. We are going to unbox it and go over my first impressions. I know I'm a bit late to the party, but better late than never. Also, I have a shorts that I created with my iPhone Pro 12 of my new GLE 53 AMG Mercedes. So I'll link that up in the top so you guys can check that out. If you guys end up enjoying the video as you are watching it, please hit the like button and subscribe to see more content like this. And also follow me over on Instagram under the same name as this, UrbanBDKNY. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Lego. Okay, so here we have the box. Let's take a look at it. Let's go ahead and crack it open and see what's on the inside. And we have the iPhone case tightly bound to the main box. Apple always does a great job of packing. Alright, so let's grab the phone case and remove this plastic protection film over it so we can actually take a look at the phone. Right away you can tell that this iPhone box is much thinner than usual. We'll get into that later, so just make sure you stick around for that. Let's take off this paper cover to finally reveal the actual screen of the iPhone. And here we have the phone hands on. The screen seems to be a tad bit crispier and a little brighter. I love this blue and I'm all for the flat finish. Not only for the grip, but for the look also. My previous phone was the 11 Pro Max in flat green. This blue, however, feels cooler, no pun intended. Now let's talk about how it feels in the hand. It feels edgy, and not in the cool sort of way, but literally edgy. You can feel the corners in your hand. I have to get used to holding this phone again. Unlike the iPhone 4, we no longer have the smooth rounded corners which I have come to love. This also feels different than the iPhone 4, which I own, and you can see here side by side. And that is because the iPhone 4 was thicker. The combination of this phone being so much bigger and thinner than the original iPhone 4, which pioneered this design, makes this phone harder to handle than the iPhone 4 was. Now when comparing to the iPhone 11 Pro Max, you can tell it's a little thinner, and the screen is also bigger and brighter. The placement of the buttons are slightly different. They remain on the same side, but are mildly relocated. Now I don't want to get too much into details about comparing these phones for day-to-day use, etc., because that will probably come in a later video which will be more detailed. Before we forget, let's discuss this box. I said earlier we would get into it, so what's the deal? Let's see what's inside. We have the charging cable in order to charge your phone, and we also have a small pin-like apparatus which is used to remove the SIM card. So what is missing? I thought you'd ask. The charging brick. This phone does not come with a charging brick. Apple is going to assume that if you're an iPhone owner or an Apple user in general, you have some sort of charging brick from either your laptop, iPad, or your iPhone. And since we are talking about charging, let's quickly transition to this Magsafe charger on the back of this phone. Isn't that cool? I love this animation. The iPhone 13 comes with a Magsafe charger with a magnetic field to hold the phone while connected. This is a Magsafe stand by Grovemade, which I recently purchased. I may have a video coming for that, so please subscribe to get notified. I will link it above in this video after that video is released. Well, there you have it. Those are my first impressions, and I want to know from you, what do you think? Do you own the iPhone 12 Pro Max or the regular version or even the mini? Let me know in the comment section below if you own any of these and what you thought of this video or what you think of the phone in general. And once again, if you actually enjoyed the video and the content and you found some value in it, hit the like button, remember to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.